Hello, this tutorial is based on the Google Scholar. Okay, in the previous videos we have learned that how to search some notes and academic research, academic study material, right? Like books, notes. Now we are going to learn about the research materials like research paper, research books, okay, and research methods. So all and patents, all these we can find uh, in the next upcoming uh, search engines. Out of that, out of those, one is the Google Scholar. Okay, so Google Scholar, it is very best search engine as I uh, understand, as I think, and it provides us many research paper, their citations in the very in the many different formats. Okay, and as well as it provides the simple search and advanced search. Okay, and we can find out the many sort options like title, author, journal, volume, issue number, everything. So I took here two type of examples. One, whenever we will search the simple search, and the second is the advanced search, right? So there are the two type of option. Okay, so first of all, go to this website and find out. Okay, so let's have a journey. Okay, so this is the Google, in general Google, right? And suppose I want to search a research paper related to some my queries like soil pollution, industrial effluents, Rajasthan, faunal biodiversity. These are my concerned keywords, and I want to search. Okay, so now I want to search a combined topic which contains all these things in a paper. Okay, so suppose I written here in the Google, and now I click. Okay, then you can see here uh, 41,900 results are there. So I'm not able to write, I'm not able to read all these articles, right? Because they are very large amount. Okay, so that's why I have to skip that. I just have to search the Google Scholar. Okay, so you can search here direct. Okay, so this is the Google Scholar, right? Here we can search all the results whichever we are getting confused. Okay, so now I took again all these terms and place in the Google Scholar. Okay, so see the results. How many results are there? Only 729, right? So it means this is the very specific software, and it is giving the very specific results. So it is more better than the 41,000 papers, right? So now 729 I can read. But if I'm in hurry, if I have to give the conclusion very fast in the near future, so 729 is also a large number of the paper. So I'm not able to read all these papers and make the conclusions and wait till then. So that's why I have to go the more specific uh, search. Okay, so I have to write some new terms in this, some uh, new technology I have to apply it. Okay, so which is this? You have to uh, remove the tick mark from the patents and citations. So whenever you remove all these ticks, then you will get some more or less results like 713 only. Okay, but still they are in high amount, so you can search by the time. Suppose I am clicking here on the since 2017, so I want to search the paper from the 2017 onwards, not the before. Okay, so you can see here only 207 results, right? So it means the yes, I can read the 200 papers very easily and make the conclusion. Okay, but still I want that no, I have to I think that I had read a paper in the 2017 or 18, but I'm not sure. So I have to find out some more less results. So I can click on this custom range and write the 2017 to 2000. Okay, so now I found the uh, 145 papers only. Okay, so this is very easy for me to to find out the correct paper and read the less number of the papers, right? So this is very convenient method. And suppose I want to get this paper, this is the on the first option. On the first option I click on this and go to the direct there. Okay, so this is the my complete paper. I want to read this, so I can, and if I want to download and save, then I can also from these options. Okay, so all these options are given there. Okay, so this is the best method. Now one more thing which I want to suggest you, that the advanced search option. Advanced search option is what? Advanced search option is this is available in the Google Scholar, where in the three horizontal line are given on the left side. You can click and click on the advanced search option. You will find these type of boxes, and I am writing here the details like this. Okay, and suppose I want to get some more advanced search options. Okay, so I can write here like soil pollution in here and Rajasthan here. Okay, okay, and the industrial pollution in the next egg. No, I want this in at least one word, means maybe industrial or maybe affluent. And then I took the Rajasthan as exact phrase here, even faunal biodiversity exact phrase. Okay, so I can write here. Okay, and then I can write here the 2018 or 2017, and suppose I am writing here 2017. Okay, and onwards, and then click here. So I will find the I will find those results. Okay, sorry, I mistakenly wrote here comma and but not given the space. Okay, I will correct. So this is the result. Okay, now you can see here impact of the industrial pollution and so on, and you can see only 8 results are there, right? So it means this is the very best method where we can get the paper very quickly and in very less efforts. So please try all these things at your home. The next I want to recommend you that you have to make your an account on this Google Scholar, so it will help you to save some papers and do citations, everything. If you want to cite, then click on this double inverted comma. It will give all the types of bibliographic already managed, okay, already arranged, and you can directly just click one click and copy this material. You do not have to need write one by one, okay. And if you want to send the digital file in bibtex or EndNote or refman, then they also provide these options below here, you can see, okay. So this is again the best method, and you can click the star for every for whichever paper you want, and it will automatically save your Google Scholar library, okay. So this is free of cost, and you have to make an account, okay. I'm just suggesting, this is my account. You can see it also provides the citation, h-index, I-10, how many papers are there, cited by year, okay. Suppose sometimes the paper is not added in your account automatically, then you can click on this plus button and you can add an article by yourself, okay. So this is the most important search engine, okay, which I am recommending you to, you have to use this, okay. So thank you all.